Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you amazing skin polishing homemade mask. So without wasting time, let's start the video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of rice, 2 tablespoons of masoor dal and 5 to 6 tablespoons of raw milk. Soak rice and masoor dal for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you can see it's become little bit softer. Now transfer this into the blender jar and blend well. Our skin polishing mask is ready. The texture of this mask should be little creamy. Now take 3 tablespoons of this mixture into the bowl. And add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Mix well. Now it's completely ready. Apply this mask on your face and neck area. In this mask we have used rice, which enhance the skin complexion and add a bright glow to your skin. It removes blemishes, dark spots, act as a natural exfoliator that removes dead cells from your skin. After apply this mask, wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, rub your face and neck very gently for 3 to 4 minutes. In this pack, we have also added red lentil or masoor dal, which treat many skin problems like pigmentation, dryness, dullness. Lime juice is removing tanning and dark spots effectively. After scrubbing, wash it off with normal water. Use this mask twice a week for best results. That's all for today. See you soon with next video. Thank you for watching.